This is a short movie of basic deconvolution inside Image Pro 6.3. I'm just going to load in a fairly simple sequence of images through Z. This is a little movie taken with a 60 times objective. We can see we have quite a bit of haze in the structure. So to do deconvolution, I need to have acquired the system using Image Pro, in which case it has all its calibration information attached to it, or to acquire it from another system, or simply to port it in and then enter the data. So for deconvolution, I just go to Advanced and Sharp Stack, opening up my Sharp Stack dialog. In the top of my different algorithms that I can use, I have quite a few more because I have the extended package which allows me the blind deconvolutions, but in the normal packages you'll have the nearest neighbor, no neighbor, and inverse filter. So we just do a nearest neighbor. Now the information that I need is numerical aperture, refractive index, and that all comes from the lens information. If there's a lens file in use inside Image Pro, you can just press from lens and say it was taken with 60 times, therefore use that lens. Okay. Other than that, we have got the wavelength. We know this is emitting at 518. We've also got the XY spacing. This comes from the calibration file, but we can edit this if we need to and just put in the data we have. And we can edit the Z distance as well. Everything else remains pretty normal, and I just press deconvolve. Now, this algorithm, while this is running, is basically a deblurring algorithm. So it's not actually refocusing the light from where it came from, it's actually just ripping haze information out. And that's done now. And because you're ripping haze information out, your actual image that you're going to end up with tends to be closer to the noise floor than it is before. So if I just roll these through to the middle, you can see the nearest neighbor image is actually a lot darker. So what I'm going to do is just change the display range of this image. Okay. And we can just look at that next to each other now. Now we're a lot closer to the noise because we've done the deblurring. We've ripped the noise out, ripped out the haze, sorry. And if I just zoom in, and we'll pan around, you can see that my final image here is actually giving me quite a lot more resolution. I'll just roll through the sequence so we can see there's quite a significant change between here and here. Deconvolution time takes about a second an image on a nearest neighbor, but that's dependent on your computer and processing power. This image can then be saved as a sequence or an AVI or even a series of TIFFs. Thanks very much. If you need any more help or information, please contact your local dealer or local sales office. That's great. Thanks.